In today's episode, we're continuing on with organization in the kitchen. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. Now in today's episode, we're going under this kitchen sink. Now you know everybody's under the kitchen sink always looks heavy. The pipes, the garbage disposal, all that's in the way and it makes it hard for you to organize. Now I had some things under there that I had previously got from the Dollar Tree and it wasn't working. It looked a hot mess under there and I was tired of not knowing what was under there and I was rebuying things thinking I didn't have those items and they were under the sink. So today I ordered some things from Amazon and I'm going to use those to organize under the sink. Now if you know me, you know I'm a clear container girl. That's from my aunt. Long story. But I got the clear containers that I wanted to use under the sink and we're going to just get down there, yes, down on the floor. And we're going to organize this sink. So let's get busy. Okay, here is under the sink. Now you know we all don't have a lot of space, but it's a lot of crap under here that I need to get out first, clean it, and then figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. Okay, so behind me, or behind you, I purchased these little drawers here. There's two of these from Amazon. And then I purchased, let me get these. I got this. They're a little bigger. It's 4 of these. Let me open them because I hadn't opened them. They've been sitting in a corner, waiting for me to get to them. Oops. Okay. These seem to be a little smaller than the other ones. Okay. Now. No, they're about the same size as far as that goes. Let me see. Yeah, they're just about the same size. Let's see, there are 4 of these. So they're about the same size, and I bought 4 more of those. So I will get these open. I might end up using some of these upstairs if I have any left. And then here's the 4th one. So there's 4 of those. So altogether I have 6 little drawers. Let me get this brush together. Okay, so as I showed you, I have 6. Okay, let me move these to the side. Now, the next thing that I purchased was this. Okay. The next thing I have is this shelf. Now I'm gonna take it out. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I like to see through things. Let me get my face on here. I like to see through things. And that started from my aunt. Don't worry about it. But I like to see through things. So anything I can buy that's acrylic that I can see through, I'm really good at. And a lot of things that I have in my pantry are glass jars or glass containers. And but like my cooking oils and things like that, I get those in plastic because I have two daughters that are blonde, and every time they come and they go to cook, they would drop and break the biggest olive oil bottle that I would purchase. So I started getting those in plastic, of course. But this container is acrylic, and it's showing me step by step what's in here and how to put it together. So I'm going to put this shelf together first, this drawers, and then we'll clean from under the sink. So let's get started. Okay, now I finished under the cabinet. Now I'm going to let you see how it looks now. Now I have the spray bottles here. The drawers are all filled. I think it's well organized. Now I know what's under here. The stuff that didn't belong has been thrown away. If I had a Cricut, hint hint Cricut, I need a small Cricut machine so I can label my containers. Because I'm always trying to find someone to make labels for me. But if I had my own Cricut, if Cricut would sponsor me, I could label all my containers and my jars in the pantry. So someone give Cricut a little buzz in the ear. Maybe they'll sponsor me with a small one. But here's how under the sink looks now. I'm happy with it. I just wish they had did the pipes a different way to make it easier to use this space. But it is what it is. I have the things in there. These brushes, if I need to take those out, I can take the whole container out and get to those items at the back. Now, girl, yeah. Okay, now everything has a spot, and I'm happy. And now the under sink is organized. Let me know what you think about the organization under my sink. Down below, you know I love reading your comments, and I will catch you in the next episode.